Mama wakwaba midin ede ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. In Sempafie a program a hosti ewo Untumi TV so omodebo His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo na NPP amayoku omobaye omoba membu meniama pa omoaye ede aboa oman Ghana na ewo Sempafie TV so na project bi a His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo akoye ede ama Korley Teaching Hospital ebeto odwa no moye discussion ewo hona ebusuafo ensema abeto dwa ne se hospital for no and I say sorry obo mu yadwuma hospital one no omo appreciate His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ena ne niam power ye no omo eche omo ani agiye papa because enyo bia do betima yensa ebusuafo yentie ensema course ne yentie projector and I say yenhwe projector His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo akoye ede ama Korley yenhwe bi ena etwegui and His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo etimi eyene
Department of Psychiatry eno ewo Korley Teaching Hospital. In fact, mi hunu ya se me ya umbi da Ghana ha so kwabrane aban bi bada gina ya sa project wey Korley da MPP abande abia ho na wo facility no a utu say yes aban no wodan so facility no aban bi akwasi Korley ho no utu say yes adwene da ho pa Kofi Kwame jama mo for he ma banini ko duwa ne nananom panufuo wasibete panufuo ko bia adan na si wati ho no sikabati na banya da ruma ade si psychiatry department Korley nyeze wanya ga taxpayers money besia no a ndc foso hwada ne fe ana ma ba besia no ana ma ba besia ne sikari bia ni nanum yamfa nya nkonfam yamfa nua wo pebra na nua nko yamfa nya airbus yamfa kwaje Ford Expedition ya dia monumental project fada ne tusu bia hada na fe fatoso ya kasa MPP abani abaya babuwa Ghana Moses sai adawei similar to ya library kase ba ko musie chase menim sa contractor na the fe anu wasiasi wo sika no abana mo se abaya ba besia do ndc fo ya abaya ba besia do besia boni bia nie besia ni bia no ane ya digesi sa department we ya dim fidie ade agum babua adesie bi no ndc ba sa project we ndc aba sa project we omunyo uwura mu anie fefe na uduru akra na awase kra achew hwa emu fefa sika no amuka Ghana no aya chichire bi anie na adu se sika no woni nanum wode beyam puntujuma yada ache eti ai asu no wo office we oh my God, Messi aba we de say interest nyini nya bibi pa famra de wo yam pipi aba bia no fami wuram yes uwa tim say yes wo wura baabi aban ada roma we waiting room ko trana twedu so ani afro ye tritu kama ai nei abano nice edifice wo de see inside Korley ababua na won mo asabi drimu ho mo kakra yakotriti wo na sumdua ba kromi a eti Department of Psychiatry ena yese Korley wa wura wa timi say yes ye na mo pani picture abia kakra bi no fe ya mo abana ba so abana se wo ye adwuma pa je yes mfidia abana dia gu ho no mfidia ewani mu ye pa ya mo abana ba so ya mo MPP abana ba so adwuma wo ye na adwuma asumbu ye pa abana woni ni sika no wonanum sika no de bempuntu dwuma na timemu ni bia nya so mfaso abo amoma na yeye na ayeka behwe eti yemfi Korley na yantisim kakra wo Asen Central Region na ya he Yeje ase akwan bi a abana yiye. Na
utie fitine nkwada brem ene nyame bo ni din efre no me kai sometime bi na all kasa na all kabra na oya akoda na won ye kwaje Ghana si ho enkroma no ne ade ye kira na ye meetings wo papa fie na metie some of the stories say yi JB dan kwanom ne ade omuso no mu na o mafa no na o de na tena o manan so even at that tender age God has already prepared, said this guy called Kweku Dankwa is going to become something. So I will let him start mingling with people of such. I will let him start mingling with people of such. You share a lifestyle. Me go school or Ghana. So me kai Ghana social studies books. You kai say William Meden Ufuriata. You kai Wan. You can kai woman na Ekufuado papa. No womb. Ekufuado papa. Na okasa squad no. So don't ever think, especially those who are always attacking the Kufuado, don't ever think say oh ye ni pebi keke no wo. The bia sister Cynthia na me ka say me say me nsuro men kan ka me ka say papa no ye bosom say ye som no. Seriously. Say nye suro na me suro me kan na me pese eja me de ne be equate sebe ya bosom na anka me ka say papa we udi ni gina wo say bosom a qualify. Because look at the incentrene from losing your first wife. Now no so no sebe abodan for group bi aka bom na ye di tinsam fon die nim ni na ye ka de to papa yi so. Ensu nyankopon ama papa we wa mana anye worry. Dia ye di ye no dia ye keka fra no ni nara no. Ekufuado have stayed resolute. Now, media na me gonna say, Anka, after several attempts, me sana me try na mean to me, chale mean to me forget, cause try be before. But it is sad say they try this man, and the more they try him, the more he shames them, and they don't see that. Meaning why? Obia why ya na june say, wadi Ekufuado be dia grow. Obedi trodia to Ekufuado so ni na Ghana for mama yen show ma brabo. And na make us say Toronto for mo amonka dia ACA e wo bi ni mo widiem. Na my imagine say men kasa yi bi kura but mo ankasa Toronto for amona mo amokwa abonti am uniama mo amunim dia ACA and you be na ese be ka kire. We have to know say God made certain people for a certain purpose. God, he made certain people for certain purpose. And if you are not smart and wise enough, and you try to fight against what God is trying to establish, you would always be disgraced. You would always be disgraced, and disgrace comes with punishment, shame. Nana do dan kwa Kweku abudani Ekufuado na onam wono me say onye normal sa amamu hu ne say okaye nkrofo e bi ho onye the type of John Mahama there be. Onye John Mahama type ni bi no no the president that's what work as because we need president that there be. Let us be careful. Let us be careful. Because here mama nchira wa de obia wedi tro edi ato na nado so because so di benya bibi asa de ni ngina ntina me se de ekoso Toronto no mo betumi akata mani bata ye re o mo betumi fake ba se Nyankopon ka se no dia wo ye ne nye na metwe waso obetwe waso Mr. Befi, just so somebody can get their partner to Canada. Just so obi benya ne pa obenya ska dia sponsor bentino yes yanko kase nanado a sponsor state robbery yeah, the state apparatus are robbing president causing the state robbery, and no Ghanaian saw the danger, no Ghanaian journalist saw the danger, because to them it was all propaganda. Let us go do it. After all, somebody be a Mahama into Yanko Yibi. Ekuya ene wa winim de ekoso wa brabom. obefom na ye kan ya na wonte ase ye kan ya na wo de dia pese wo ya